Here we will study the paper 5th BO 335 horticulture and floriculture. Now this as far as the horticulture concerned, the definition concerned, it is the branch of the agriculture, because the agriculture will become separate from the botany. And here in the agriculture, the horticulture, that is the most important as far as parameter. And this horticulture, as per definition concerned, it is the science or it is the branch of the agriculture which deals with the study of cultivation of the particular type of the plant in the form of the fruit, vegetables and flowers also. Now as the definition concerned, the scientific information of the behavior horticulture plant produces the available called the science horticulture. The horticulture, it is thus defined as a branch of agriculture which deals with the intensive cultivation of the plant directly utilized by the man for the purpose of the food or the medicinal purpose and the aesthetic purpose, as well as the marketing and the export of their product. Here this is the broad view of the agriculture, or so called as horticulture as such concerned. Cultivation of the intensive cultivation and the intensive cultivation of the particular type of the plant, especially the fruit, especially the flower, especially the vegetables. Such a type of the cultivation, this is the intensive cultivation, and whatever the product that has been farmed by them, it is processed, it is processing. And by the help of the processing, whatever the product that has been farmed, it is directly marketed. And this is supposed to be so called as the horticulture as such concern. As far as the branches of the horticulture concern, the branches of horticulture concern, the first branch, that is the pomoculture. Cultivation of only the fruit plants. Nowadays, the people have been moved toward the cultivation of the particular type of the fruit. Especially there is a monopoly of the particular type of the fruit for the particular region. For example, the banana. These banana that can be cultivated in the North Maharashtra. The grape that has been also cultivated in the Western Maharashtra as well as in the North Maharashtra also. So the cultivation of such a type of the fruit, that is called as the pomoculture. And this pomoculture that deals with the cultivation of the grape, cultivation of the particular type of the fruits. It may be the banana, it may be the grape, it may be the guava, it may be the apple, it may be the, as far as the region concerned. Now in the west, in the east Vidarbha region and some of the regions of the west Vidarbha also, they used to cultivate the entire citrus fruit. And this citrus fruit, that is the Citrus morontiana, such a type of the citrus fruit that can be cultivated by those people in the especially the Vidarbha region. The cashew nut, this is the monopoly of the particular type of the entire fruit, that is in the Konkan region. The coconut cultivation. So these are all the cultivation of the entire fruit, that is called as the pomoculture and such. Second, that is the olericulture. Now the cultivation of the entire vegetable. Now the vegetable that play very important role in the entire or balance diet, and the cultivation of such a type of the vegetable that comes under the olericulture as such. The vegetables may be leafy vegetables may be the fruit vegetable. As far as the fruit vegetable, the tomato. As far as the fruit vegetable, the onion. As far as the fruit vegetable, what we used to say that brinjal. Whatever the all vegetables that concern with the entire balanced diet and such concern, that can be cultivated under the branch of the entire horticulture, that is called as the olericulture. And third one, that is the floriculture. Now the floriculture, it directly indicates, the name indicates, the floriculture that directly indicates that the cultivation of the flowering plant and their product and their essence and marketing of such type of the product or marketing of such type of the entire produce that can be comes under the entire floriculture and such concern. Now I would like to say that a lot of people have been moved towards such type of the floriculture concern. Even if they enter the Sinnar Taluka concern, in our Taluka, in the Sinnar Taluka concern, the people have been moved toward the cultivation of the floriculture. That floriculture may be the natural, that floriculture may be the controlled condition. The natural floriculture that we used to see the tagetes, natural floriculture that cultivation of the entire that rose, cultivation of the zinnia, cultivation of the entire that so-called chrysanthemum, cultivation of the particular type of the lily, such type of the plant or such type of the flower that can be cultivated by the help of the entire farmer in the Sinnar Taluka also. I would like to tell you that the people from the entire region of Banaga, Pimpri and very near to the Malsakura, the one of the farmer is there that he has cultivated the total rose under the 2-acre area. It means that the farmer has been moved towards the cultivation of the particular type of the entire flowering plant. And whatever the essence, for example, the people have been used the citronella, what we used to say that lemongrass. These lemongrass that can be cultivated for the purpose of the medicinal point of view. At the same time, it gives the essential oil, and that is the citronella oil that can be utilized as a perfume. That can be utilized in the perfume industry. Such a type of the entire that flowering plant and the particular type of the entire that essential oil producing plant that can be cultivated by the help of the farmer. Even the particular farmer that have been that they used to cultivate the particular type of the entire that lily. For example, the tuberose. Such type of the tuberose that can be cultivated in our area, in just near to our Sinnar. So this type of the plant or this type of the flower that can be cultivated by the help of the farmer, and that directly indicates that it is the so-called as the horticultural aspect as such concerned, as far as the floriculture concerned. Now next branch, it may be the one of the branch also, landscape gardening. Landscape gardening. Now the landscape gardening, this is the imitations of the nature as such concerned. One of the land is there, and that land has been brought under the entire gardening purpose. And this landscape gardening, that is simply the imitations of the nature. Whatever the mountain region is there, that is in the nature, that we can directly manage the mountain, we can manage the entire ravines, we can manage the particular type of the entire park also. So these area that has been brought under the landscape gardening, it is somewhat so-called the imitations of the entire nature, the landscape gardening. Because the landscape gardening that is having the wide scope in the entire horticulture as such concerned, landscape gardening. So these are some branches of the entire horticulture, and that we are going to see. The next point, that is the scope and economic importance of horticultural crop. The scope and economic importance of horticulture, as far as the scope concerned, the horticulture has a wide scope. One thing that we should keep in mind, the person who is having the knowledge of the technique of the horticulture, that can have the great opportunity to earn the money. For example, for that purpose, it is not essential to become a graduate of particular type of the university. The university graduation that is not important. But the technique that is important. As far as the technique concerned, how to grow the plant, what type of the that soil that is essential to a particular type of the plant, what type of the climate that is essential for the particular type of the cultivation of particular plant. For example, the grape, what type of the climate is there, what type of the that soil should be there, what type of the that cultural practices should be there, what type of cultural practices are there, as well as the horticultural practices are there. If is all knowledge that is present within that person, or that person who is having the particular knowledge of the cultivation of the particular type of the plant, he can earn the money. This is the great scope that is in the internet horticulture. The great opportunity. That person acquired the great opportunity for getting the money, for earning the money, or such type of the scope that is essential for them. The scope, as far as there is a great demand of the food technologist. The second scope that second thing that I would like to tell you, there is a great demand of the internet, the food technologist in the processing of the fruits and vegetables. What are the processing? It may be the canning, it may be the pulping, or it may be the preparation of the squash, it may be the particular jam, jelly, whatever it may be. Such a type of the technologies, the food technologists, that perform their duty by producing such a type of the food processing unit. The food processing unit that can be installed by them, if that person is having the knowledge of such a type of the technology. So what is the canning? What is the entire drying? Or what is the entire fruit pulping? What is the freezing? What are the dehydration? So removal of the water that from the entire vegetable, removal of the water from the vegetable also. This is the dehydration process. If the person is having such a type of the entire process, and this person will have a great opportunity to get the job in the particular industry. So this is a great scope in the internet horticulture as concerned. There is a great scope, and that is why there is a great demand in the internet food technologist in the particular industry. So that the person who is having such type of the knowledge, he can get the job, and this is the best and the important so-called the scope that is in the entire horticulture as concerned. The person, the fourth type, fourth branch of the entire landscape gardening, that a person is having the knowledge of the landscape gardening, he can get the job also. Landscape gardening, that I have been told you that the landscape gardening, that is nothing but a particular type of the imitations of the nature. If the land is there, that land is brought under the landscape gardening. So what type of the plant should be there? What type of the hedges should be there? What type of the floricultural plant should be there? This knowledge is present within that person. He can get the job. He can get the opportunity to get the jobs and earn the money as far as the landscape gardening concerned. The seed company developing the new varieties of the manufacture of the particular type of the material. If the person is having regarding the entire horticultural product, the horticultural product may be the product, it may be the seed. If the seed which is the most important propagative method for the entire sexual propagation concern. If the person is having the knowledge of the seed, that he can also get the job in the seed company. At the same time, the horticulture is also serving as the writer and editors of the horticultural magazines. This is one thing. This is the latest information. So there are the horticultural magazines are there. That is a Krushi magazine. Such a type of the entire agricultural magazine that he can write the entire articles within the particular type of the plant, within the particular type of the entire flower, and get the money. So there is a great scope in the entire horticulture as concerned. At the same time, the economic importance of the horticulture concern, there is a great economic importance. The great economic importance concern, the high yield of returns can be achieved from the banana and the mango. As far as the economic concern, if the person is having the knowledge of such a type of the plants, such a type of the fruit product, such a type of the flower, he will get the money as such concern. Now, the banana, grape, and whatever the mango, papaya, amla, such a type of the entire plant produces the particular type of their byproduct, their product. For example, the papain. This papain that has been directly obtained from the latex of the papaya. So this can be directly utilized in the what we used to say the ice creams and everything. Such a type of the product that can be prepared by the help of the particular type of the plant and plant product. The fruit growing provides the raw material for the several industry, like a preservation, dehydration, essential oil, package, transport, etc. The cultivation of the flowering plant, this is also as far as the economic importance concerned. Cultivation of the flowering plant that becomes the good asset for getting the money. Nowadays, the flower, a lot of times the flower that can be utilized by us, day to day, the importance of the flower that is known to us. If some flower that can be cultivated by the people, by the farmer, by the agriculturist, at that time it is possible to earn the money. For example, the Diwali and the Dasara are such a type of the festivals, the spiritual festivals, the ceremony, the particular type of this festivals and the ceremony. For that purpose, there is the essential of the particular type of the flower. For example, in the Dasara, there is a continuous demand of the targeted flower, so-called as the Jinia Kendu. So such a type of the flower that cultivated by the help of the agriculture and get the money as far as the economic importance concerned. At the same time, the grape or any type of the fruit that can be cultivated by the help of the farmer, by the help of the agriculturist, they get the money and they directly export the such type of their agricultural product to the western country. Nowadays, the people have been moved toward the cultivation of the custard apple nowadays. The custard apple which are the wild gun, that we used to say. But people have come to know, farmers come to know, agriculturists come to know the such a type of the importance of the custard apple, and they used to cultivate the custard apple their farm. There is a farm occurrence from the entire custard apple. Such type of the custard apple directly sent to the entire Gulf country. Pomegranate, you may say, a pomegranate, that we used to say, such a type of the pomegranate fruit that can be cultivated by the help of the entire farmer. There is a great farm occurred from the entire pomegranate, great farm occurred from the entire grape. They used to export their product from the India to the western country also. Nowadays, the Nashik district that is famous for the cultivation of the grape. And this cultivation of the grape that can be directly exported to the entire western country in the Europe continent also. There should be the export. There should be the export quality of the entire fruit. Whatever the fruit that you are going to export in the entire western country or the European continent, that should be of the good quality. That should be free from the entire pesticide residue. Whatever these are the precautions that we should have to follow at the time of the cultivation practices of the particular type of the fruit concern. At the same time, the flower. At the same time, the vegetables also. In the vegetable concern, we directly utilize, for example, the lady's finger, for example, the pea, for example, the cabbage, or such a broccoli, such a type of the entire fruit vegetable that can be directly imported from India to the western country by the processing of the entire food technology. Food technology, these are processing. It may be the canning, it may be the dehydrated product. The lady's finger that can be directly dehydrated and sent to the entire western country by the processing the so-called as the canning processing, freezing processing. This means that the horticulture have the great importance in the entire for the welfare of the man concern, for the welfare of the human being concern. Great economic importance. The floriculture point of view, permaculture point of view, landscape gardening you may say, olericulture point of view, cultivation of the entire fruit, vegetables also. This is the great importance, and this is the so-called economic importance of such a type of the horticultural product. Now, next point that we are going to see, export and the import potential. Export and import potential of horticultural crop. Export potential. Just now I have told you. We used to cultivate the particular type of the entire fruit, vegetables and the flower that we used to export it from the entire India. We can export it. The grape that we we used to exporting, guava that we used to exporting, such type of kind of fruit that we used to export. Because in the Western country, the particular type of the odd season, they are not getting the such type of the entire fruit. Even the India become the leading country in the world which export the grape from India to the entire European country or the European continent in the Western country, especially in the Gulf also. There is a great export potential. The India is having the great export potential because in the India there is a varied climate. There is a varied climate. There is a great change in the entire climatic regions of the particular right from the Kashmir to Kanyakumari. There is a great change in the entire great variation in the climatic conditions, the temperature, pressure, whatever it may be. It directly indicates that the India is having, due to the presence of such variations in the entire climatic region, climatic conditions, it means that there is a great chances of the cultivation of the particular type of the fruits. The apple, which is the monopoly of the Kashmir and the North India, especially the apple that can be exported from the entire Kashmir or the North India to the European country. The grape that can have a potentiality, even if the Maharashtra concerned, the West Maharashtra or the Western Maharashtra as well as the Central Maharashtra also and North Maharashtra also. The grape producing country, grape producing districts are there, that is the regions are there. They used to export their agricultural produce to the entire European continent or the European country or the Western country and get the money. So it directly indicates that there is a great potential that is in the India due to the variations of the particular type of the climatic condition. The citrus fruit, which is the monopoly of the West Vidarbha, especially the East Vidarbha, especially they cultivate the citrus fruit that is in the form of the Citrus aurantium, Citrus lemon, Citrus lemoni, such type of the entire plant that can be cultivated by the help of the peoples of the entire East Vidarbha, and they used to cultivate their product, they used to cultivate their fruits and directly export from the India and get the money. So it is possible to get the entire foreign exchange by exporting such type of the entire agricultural produce in the form of vegetables, in the form of the fruit also, in the form of the vegetables also, in the form of the entire flowers also. Now I would like to tell you that our Nasik region, especially the Nasik, which was renowned by the help of the Gulshan, that is flower. At what times in the past time it was known as the Gulshanabad, Nasik, because the varieties of the entire flower that was cultivated in the regions of the Nasik district. And nowadays, as far as the biotechnological aspect concerned, or as far as the horticultural aspect concerned, the people have been moved towards the cultivation of the entire flowering plant only. People have been moved towards the cultivation of the entire fruit plant only. Fruit of farm occurred only. The people are interested in the particular type of the entire vegetables only. Even the coriander that we used to see, coriander, cultivation of the coriander. Cultivation of the coriander, the people from the entire Nasik district have got the more than the 16 lakh in the 1 acre area of the entire coriander that can be cultivated by the help of the coriander only in the last season. It directly indicates that the cultivation of the vegetables and the entire flower also, which has a great potential, which has a great opportunity to get the foreign exchange, and that we can directly export our agricultural product that is in the entire Western country, and this is somewhat the export potential that is in the entire European country. The cashew nut, mango, that we use to say. Cashew nut and the mango, Alfonso mango, which are the monopoly of the Konkan. The Alfonso mango that can directly export in the entire, from the, especially the Maharashtra that I would like to say, the Konkan region. Mango, Devgarh, Hapus. Such a type of the entire mango fruit that can be directly exported in the entire Western country, Gulf country and European continent also. These are the monopoly of the particular type of the regions of the Maharashtra. Banana, which is the monopoly of the entire Jalgaon and the North Maharashtra. that can be directly cultivated banana and sent to the entire western country. So it means that these are the regions of the Maharashtra, zones of the entire Maharashtra, agricultural zones, and the zones of the fruit producing zones of the Maharashtra that can be directly sent the such type of the agricultural products in the form of the fruits, vegetables, and the flower to the European country, and that's why they are getting the more money. At the same time, the foreign exchange to the nation, at the same time, the prosperity of the nations are such concern. Horticultural zones of the India and the Maharashtra. Next point that we are going to see. Horticultural zones. Horticultural zones of the India and the Maharashtra. So what are the zones where the particular type of the internal fruits, vegetables, flower that can be cultivated in the particular region? Horticultural zones. For example, the rose and the tulip that can be cultivated in the entire North India. As far as the flower concerned, floriculture point of view concerned. They used to, people from the entire North India, they used to cultivate such a type of the entire flower, that is the tulip and the rose, especially the Kashmir. This is the temperate zones. This is the temperate zone, and these temperate zones of the entire India, they cultivate such a type of the flowers and they export to the European country. For example, the fruit concern, there is the apple, there is the pears, there is the so-called temperate fruits, that so-called alukar, like this, prunas. Such a type of the entire fruit that can be cultivated in the North India. At the same time, in the entire South India, they used to cultivate the coconut. The coconut, the South India concern, as far as the region concerned, zones of the entire India concerned, South India, they used to cultivate such type of the entire coconut. They used to cultivate the coconut and the coconut product. What was the product? What was the byproduct of the entire coconut concern? They used to cultivate. Such a type of the region, such type of the zones in the North India to the entire South India, at the same time the entire Eastern India. So there is a pineapple, for example, the Meghalaya, Assam, and the particular Shillong, whatever the regions of the entire Seven Sisters. That is the Assam, Meghalaya, the Imphal, like this, Arunachal Pradesh. They used to cultivate the pineapple. They used to cultivate the entire particular type of the fruit, and they used to export such type of the fruit from the entire Eastern region. Western region, there is also, especially in the Maharashtra, especially in the India Western region, that comes in the Gujarat and the Maharashtra also, Rajasthan also, they used to cultivate the particular type of the fruit, as far as the sapota, chiku. Such type of the regions of the entire zone of the India. At the same time, there is the zones of the Maharashtra as such concern. Horticultural zones of the Maharashtra as such concern. The Western Maharashtra, that is the monopoly of the cultivation of the particular type of the entire grape. The Central Maharashtra, that is the cultivation of the particular type of the fruit, that is in the form of the grape, fig, then guava, then custard apple. In the North Maharashtra, the third regions of the Maharashtra, the horticultural regions of the Maharashtra, or the horticultural zones of the Maharashtra as such concern, there is the North Maharashtra. The North Maharashtra, it is the monopoly of the cultivation of the banana, especially in the Jalgaon and the Dhule regions. Now, these regions, they used to cultivate the banana. At the central regions of the entire Maharashtra, there is a great scope in the particular type of the fruit. It may be the grape, it may be the guava, it may be the custard apple, it may be the, to such an extent, there is a apple also in the central Maharashtra also, in the North Maharashtra also. Apple can be cultivated by the apple, it is a temperate fruit, but this apple can be cultivated in the entire tropical area also. This is the attempt that has been made from the people of the Nashik district, Devla Taluka. The people have been tried to cultivate the apple also in their region also. Even the people have been tried to cultivate the dragon fruit. The dragon fruit you might have been known. The dragon fruit also cultivated by the help of the regions of the Solapur, especially the western region of the Maharashtra. The people have been trying their level best to cultivate the varieties of the fruit. Varieties of the fruit and fruit product from the particular region, though this was the monopoly of the particular type of region such as concerned. As a it is not indicated that. It does not indicate that a particular fruit should be present in the particular area. But people have been tried their level best to cultivate the particular type of the fruit from the temperate to the tropical regions also. The dragon fruit. The dragon fruit that can be cultivated by the help of our area also, in the Nashik district also. Apple can be cultivated in the Nashik district also. Even the Vidarbha region, Vidarbha zone. The Vidarbha zone that is famous for the cultivation of the fruit, like citrus orienteum, Santri Mossambi, such a type of the entire fruit that can be cultivated by them, and they used to cultivate the such type of the fruit and export in the European country and the foreign country. The Konkan region, monopoly of the Alphonso and a monopoly of the particular type of the jackfruit also. Monopoly of the Alphonso and the cashew nut. There is a farm occurred of the cashew nut that is right from the entire Ratnagiri, Devgarh, Alibag, and whatever the regions of the Konkan, Sindhudurg. It goes up to Sindhudurg, Malwa and Bengal. Such a type of the entire area that is having the monopoly of the particular type of the fruit, as a jackfruit, as a cashew nut, as a Alphonso, and they used to cultivate them. As a coconut also, that can be cultivated by them. There is a coconut orchard in the entire regions of the Konkan region. So these are the zones of the entire Maharashtra as well as the zones of the entire India that used to cultivate the particular type of the horticultural crop. Now here ends the horticulture introduction, the first chapter.